was a relief, guys. Yes, you heard it right. I'm already off. Off from what? Dito ako, guys, for my appointment to my plastic surgeon. Hopefully, they're gonna take this one. Rinig nyo yung music. Hospital na to, may mga music. While people are waiting area at saka entrance area. So, kung magre-register muna. Ito na yung second registration. Hindi ko nakuhanan yung una. I'm already off. Off from what? Off from my cast on my right hand.
Yes!
Reveal na natin yung cut. Cut. Nang dahil sa blue water. But, di ako nagsisisi. Blue water is beautiful. Yan. May 2 inches cut here. So, di ba? Pinatulog ako yan para bubuksan yan at inayos yung kung anong inayos. Now, ang naging reflection ko, guys, is like this. Before the surgery, emotionally, I was really like in trouble. I don't want to go. Ganon. I have lots of fears. But I was thankful I went. Because wala naman palang nangyari sa akin. Fear lang yun. I'm glad I did. And surgery is easy. You just go there, sleep, and then go home, right? We are fortunate that we are that access in this country. Uuwi ka na lang magpagaling. And it's up to you if you gonna follow all the directions. Because ang gagawin sa'yo, ibibigay lahat yan in paper. You know, you need to do this, you need to do this, you need to do this. You have this appointment. So you have to follow all those exercises. I just came from my plastic surgeon. So I had my therapies. Because every time I have to visit my therapies. Kasi after the surgery, it wasn't end there. So there is a continuity of follow-up. So after 2 months, I have to see again my plastic surgeon. And after 3 weeks, I have to go back to the hospital for my therapy. Although I have my take-home therapy as well that I have to do every day. Every single day. The goal kasi, it's healed already. You know, even inside. Because now I can, as much as I can, I have to use my hand. You know, kung ano yung nakaya niya noong hindi siya injured, dapat makakaya din niya ngayon. So, ginagawa ko lahat. So, I have lots of exercise that, you know, to bending and everything. So, yun yung sinusundan ko. Kasi pag hindi mo gagawin yun, kaya yung nararamdaman ng mga masakit, nagkaka-arthritis. Kaya, ang reflection ko doon, di ba, may mga minsan, yung nabali, tapos naibalik, and then walang therapy after. So, pag maagang, kahit bata pa, maagang nagkakaroon ng arthritis. Although, lahat naman tayo pumupunta doon, pero may mga bata lang, edad na mga 20s, minsan sumasakit na. Kasi ganon, hindi na properly exercise. You know, kasi kailangan talagang i-exercise. Give me like removable support nandoon. Pero pag nandito ako sa bahay, I'm not using it. Kasi ang tendency, pag naalala ko naramdaman ko na may support doon, parang nandun pa yung isip ko, hindi ko masyadong gagamitin. And that's not the purpose. You have to use now as much as I can. Kasi ang tendency noon is para nga maibalik. You know, maliban dun sa daily exercise, hourly exercise, is kailangan kong gamitin siya. So minsan, pagramdam mo ng ganun, hindi, ang tendency nga ayaw mong gamitin, pero hindi. So, ang ginagawa ko, sige, gamit. Dati, you know, but nasanay na rin kasi ang kaliwa ko because how many, 3 months and a half, almost 4 months, na ang gamit ko lang ay kaliwa. So now, I have to really use my right hand. And then, ang goal is, meron kang mararamdamang konting sakit. That's part of it. That's part of the healing. That's part of, you know, getting that flexibility that I used to have. So, dapat hindi ako magpanic. Ganun lang. And then, if that would happen, I have to put back the support. You know, and then pahinga. And then continue again. Kung nakikita na, ay, maging swollen na, whatever, it's okay. You have to stop. Yung ganun. Pero hindi ka mag-stop na gagamitin siya kasi that's the goal. It's already healed and the goal is to put back to the strength that I used to have on my right hand. So that's all, guys. And thank you for your prayers and for all the well wishes. And a reminder, for everyone, even you are young or especially tayo, going to, alam nyo na, edad natin, dapat hindi tayo, hanggat maaari. Although accident is accident, right? Wala namang nasasadya. But maging conscious tayo kasi honestly, undergoing for surgery is just okay. Tutulog ka, kinabukasan okay ka na, uwi ka na, magpagaling ka na. But the therapy, struggle. Kasi minsan may igaganon po yung kamay, meron pa rin yung, sakit. But then you have to really force yourself. Ganon talaga. At dapat magiging ka doon, discipline ka. Kasi kung hindi ka discipline, in the long run, ikaw din ang masasaktan. Kasi effect din yun sa katawan mo. Kaya nga sinasabi sa'yo, okay, every time I visit my doctor or my therapist, I have a take-home exercises that I have to do it regularly. So, yun lang. Ingat-ingat lang and thank you.